president of the Jaintia Tourism and Environment Society, SK Lato, has called for the establishment of railway services in Meghalaya's Jaintia Hills region, citing the potential advantages for local communities. He pointed to the progress seen in the Garo Hills as a result of the railway network as a positive example. SK Lato also condemned the recent incident in Umtangar, stressing the need for the region to focus on constructive development initiatives like the railway, which he argues could greatly enhance growth and connectivity in the area.
The potential is very good. There's a scope. That's why today I talked that tourism is the global industry. Everybody can enjoy it. So only thing we have to our mindsets, that it should be a global mindset. To think locally but act globally. I would say that is incident happened in the Umtangar. It's just like putting a black thing in our forehead, the forehead of the tourism sector of Meghalaya. That's why it was so discouraging. So that should not be, should be condemned by the like-minded people. Say about the stakeholder, they agree. But Polangdo himself, as a minister, said that it needs to condemn. So he condemned it. Road connectivity. Road connectivity, in fact, in Jaintia Hills, we don't have face so much. In fact, in Jaintia Hills, in every village is motorable road. There is not a single road or a village that we have to walk on foot. It is approachable. The proposal, we from Jaintia Hills, in fact, we support the railway line. Even during the time of Vincent Pala, during his second time tenure, we intend to avoid the Khasi Hills, to bring railway head to Meghalaya, Jaintia Hills, via from this what called Lanka, then to the Sutna Elaka, near our factory Jaintia Cements, it goes straight by the tunnel to Badarpur. We accept it, but these people, the so-called pressure group, they just shout. Otherwise, if they put in the public domain, asking for the yes or no, Jaintia Hills will say, yes, we accept the railway. It cannot remain in the state of isolation. Even this ILP, in Jaintia Hills, we are not accepting it because there is no chance for ILP in Meghalaya. Meghalaya is a thoroughfare. We cannot make like Nagaland, Manipur or Mizoram. You enter one, then you come on the same road. But in Meghalaya, just in Jaintia Hills, how many outlets you can go to Assam? So if the ILP is implemented, it is just a space for these people, the so-called pressure group. They don't have anything to do. So they just want to have easy money. In the Khasi, I will speak something Khasi. Those who don't have the Kamajak, those who are not earning, they join that group and they have nothing but to extract money. They don't know or understand the value of the money. That's why whatever those who earn, they understand the loss this incident happened. But those who do not earn, they just get easy money. They don't understand. So this is it. I think they have not yet dropped it totally. There would see in the next election there will be issue. We from Jaintia Hills, because we have a number of cement plants. So if the railway lines comes, number one, the wear and tear of the road will be safe. Number of accidents will be safe. And the communication materials, we can bring it at a low cost compared to the person we are buying in Shillong or in Java. This is the thing. So as I used to tell in my social media, we cannot remain in the state of isolation. We should be. We are, after all, man is a two-footed animal. We cannot bind him to cross the border. So this is what our Khasi brothers are doing. It is detrimental to the progress of development of Meghalaya as a whole. That's why people in Garo Hills, they accept it. What's the harm? What is change? What impact they have? It brings a good in Garo Hills. The people, they enjoy train riding from Kauti to this Mandi Pahar, Ram se, and they can bring their things, everything, to the market of Kamrup. So this is thing.
The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM BA Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057, 94851 58603, 700 505 7728, 8794 250646.